Good morning, students. This is B.Ed program. Welcome to this program. Myself, Mr. Ganesh Chandra Naik, Associate Professor from GVM Dr. Dada Vidya College of Education. I take methodology of teaching history, and in this course, we'll study what this course is all about. What is your expectation from this course? Your expectation is to become a good history teacher after completion of the course. So therefore, what are the qualities of a good history teacher you should know, and this thing will be provided in this course. So let us see what different things are there in the name of units in this course. Unit 1 is about the subject. What is that unit? Unit 1 is about the subject. Here we will study what is the meaning and nature of history. What are the controversy around writing school history textbooks? And what kind of history textbooks are there in different school boards? So these kind of things will be covered in unit number 1, because you want to become good history teacher, and as a history teacher you must know about your subject. Unit 2 is about writing lesson plans. Here we will study what are the need of writing lesson plan, what the need of writing unit plan and year plan. So this kind of planning will be taught in unit number 2. What else? Also we will study about the different components of a good lesson plan. And when you make use of plan, you are supposed to make use of ICT and textbooks. So therefore we will be teaching about how to make use of textbooks and ICT in different phases of making planning in history. Let us go to unit number 3, my dear students. Here we will be studying about developing historical understanding. What is that historical understanding all about? This is about teaching of values. This is about teaching of chronology and time. Also we will be teaching about teaching of cause and consequences. Teaching controversial topics will also be part of this unit. Teaching with sources, because history is full of sources, how to make use of sources also will be taught in this unit. Teaching historical interpretations, a lot of facts and figures are there, how to make interpretation out of it and to understand history. So these are the things students will cover in unit number 3. Now let us go to unit number 4, assessment in history. So what things are there in this unit? We will be teaching about how to construct different types of test items, because these kind of test items are used in question paper. So you as a history teacher, you must know how to write different kind of question paper and test items for testing. Also we will be teaching you how to analyze question paper of different boards, including Goa boards, so that you know what kind of questions are asked in other boards, what kind of questions are asked in our board. So these are the things that will be covered in unit number 4. Come to unit number 5, my dear students. Here basically we will be talking about professional development of history teachers. Once you become a history teacher in school, how you should develop professionally. So these kind of things will be covered in unit number 5. Let us see what small things are there in this unit. Why professional development? And what is professional development? And why should go for professional development? This will be covered here. And what are different ways and means of going for professional development? Because a lot of avenues are there, a lot of scopes are there, so all the things will be discussed in this small unit. Then history teacher association. These kind of associations are there in all different subjects, including history. So some kind of discussion will be held about history teacher association and how history teacher association play great role in professional development of history teacher will also be covered here. Then students, unit number 6, only this is the last unit. Here we will be discussing about how to design teaching, and here some school topics are there from class 6, 7, 8 and 9 from both history and civics, and you will be taught how to design planning in all different kind of topics. So more or less these are the 6 units and these are the things it will be covered in these units. So finally students, what are the learning outcomes? You'll see that at the end of the program, at the end of the year, you should be able to explain the changing concept of history, that is from unit number 1. Also you should be able to justify the place of history in school curriculum, because you are a history teacher, you must know the importance of your topic, your textbook. Then you should be able to write a good lesson plan and unit plan, and you are supposed to make use of ICT and relevant instructional material in teaching and learning history. This is also an outcome. Then write different types of test items, because you are a teacher, you are supposed to test students. So objective is about writing different type of test items. Also you should be able to evaluate given history question paper and history textbooks. This is very important. And explain the need and means of professional development of history teacher from unit number 6. And also you should explain, okay, different techniques and strategies to develop historical understanding. So more or less this is the okay, the scope of this paper. Thank you students.